Yo, what's up, guys? This is Shy Cyrus here with another video. Check this out, guys. I'm over here spraying these bolts with PB Blaster, so when I'm ready to install shorty headers, it'll help me a little bit, loosen them up, all this rust on them. I know it's still gonna be a nightmare, but at least I'm getting ready for that. But look, guys, the last bolt is missing. Now, who in the world will do that? Either they broke it off or they never put her back on. I don't have a leak on this side, but on the passenger side I do have a sleeking from like the middle one from here. So that's why I decided to buy the shorties to swap them off. But look, I don't know how far in it goes. I mean, worst case scenario is broken. I'm praying for it that they forgot to put it back in, because that's gonna be a nightmare. It's already gonna be bad trying to take these bolts out, and now that one's missing and it's broken, or missing, just not in there. They never put it in. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know if you think that bolt is broken, or I'm gonna be lucky and they just forgot to put it back on. To the next one.